In order to maintain the longevity of the Fellows Venus 2 125 laminator, I wanted to show you how just a simple step can preserve your Fellows laminator for a really long time. Laminators work by melting adhesive onto a surface to create a protective coating, but over time, this adhesive can build up on the rollers. This is where cleaning sheets help to prevent this buildup by removing any excess adhesive and debris from the rollers. It doesn't just ensure your laminator lasts longer though, it also ensures quality laminations of your documents. And if you're a business using this laminator like us, that's important to you. Let me show you how to quickly clean your laminator to ensure perfect lamination every time. You simply turn on your machine and wait for it to warm up, and you just slide this cleaning sheet through, and that's it. This cleaning sheet has a coating on it that picks up and cleans extra adhesive on rollers. This brand has a long-standing reputation for laminating, and I've only had good results, so I love using their cleaning sheets as well. Overall, investing in cleaning sheets for your Fellows Venus 2 125 laminator is a smart decision that can save you time and money, while also ensuring that your laminated documents look and perform their best.